Folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to be putting together some salsa verde. Now this would be a great sauce to make up some chicken enchiladas, smother some burritos, or just dip chips in it. It's tortilla based, easy to put together, homemade, and out of this world. So let's give this one a shot. I would say this is very exciting, this salsa verde. Oh my God, it is just so versatile for a lot of reasons. I just start out with about a cup of water, and then I use 1, 2, 3 sections of 1 red onion. Then we put in the jalapeno peppers, 3 of them. We're going to grind this up, blend this up to a nice puree. And once we have this completed, we're going to go in and start putting in these tomatillas. And these are kind of a cousin to a tomato, I guess. They're like a green tomato, but they have a unique citrus taste to them. And it really is what the Mexicans use to make true salsa verde. So again, loaded up this blender, double down, hit that blender, and get this whole thing whipped up. And once we have it all blended in, have all the spices in there, we're going to pour it into a stock pot. Bring that stock pot up to high heat, and we're going to boil this for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to doll this up with a little bit of black pepper, and next seasoning there, of course, will be the cumin. About a tablespoon of cumin. Cumin's a great spice. Really gives it the true Mexican flavor. And then, of course, just some regular table salt. About a tablespoon and a half for this order. Stir this up. And then once we get this thing completely cooked off for a minute, we're going to put it back into the blender. Regrind out all of the spices again. And once we have everything blended together, we're going to put it back onto the stove, and we're going to cook it for about an additional 15 minutes. Now I'll tell you one thing. Once this sauce is done, you can ladle this stuff over like on a burrito, like I'm going to do right now. You can use it with the chips. Make enchiladas out of it. Such a versatile sauce. Here it is, folks. It's Glenn the Ball Chef, and I've got a little burrito that I loaded up with my salsa verde. Just top of the line stuff. You can't go wrong. You really can't. It's everything that you've ever dreamed about in a salsa and more. Now we're going to do the old-fashioned taste test. I'm going to cut this thing open, and we'll see. Let's see what we got here, man. This is really, really interesting here. Okay, put it in my gullet. Boom. Oh my gosh. Man, bordering on spectacular. Really it is. It's everything you've ever dreamed about in a salsa and more. So if you're looking to make something a little bit different, looking for a great Mexican salsa verde recipe, you basically come to the right place, and you can never really go wrong with this. I appreciate you folks stopping by, and of course, all comments are welcomed. Appreciate everything all you folks do for me. It's very important that keep up with my subscribers. And as always, I will say, bon appetit.